Ever found yourself staring at your Koho app, thinking, I need to talk to a human? Or maybe you've got a burning question about your balance, a transaction, or just want to give Koho some feedback. Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Koho customer support. Let's figure out how to get in touch with them via email. Building context. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of crafting the perfect email, let's talk about why you might want to email Koho. Maybe you prefer written communication over phone calls. Or perhaps you need to document a specific issue for your records. Whatever your reason, email can be a great way to get in touch. Now, you might be thinking, can't I just use the Koho app or call them? While those options are available, email can be particularly useful for complex issues or when you need a detailed response. Plus, it gives you a written record of the conversation. Finding the right email address. Okay, let's get down to business. The first step is finding the right email address. Unfortunately, Koho doesn't exactly plaster their email address all over their website. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Check Koho's website, look for a Contact Us or Help section. Sometimes, they might have an email address listed there. Explore the Koho app. While unlikely, it's worth checking the app settings or help section. Social media. Give Koho's social media channels a look. Sometimes, they provide email addresses in their bios or responses to comments. Google it. Search for Koho customer support email or similar keywords. You might find information from other users or articles. Crafting your email. Once you've got the email address, it's time to write your message. Here are some tips. Be clear and concise. Get straight to the point. Explain your issue or question clearly and concisely. Provide necessary details. Include any relevant account information, transaction numbers, or dates. The more details you provide, the easier it will be for Koho to assist you. Be polite and professional. Even if you're frustrated, maintain a polite and professional tone. A friendly email is more likely to get a positive response. Attach supporting documents. If you have any documents that support your claim, attach them to the email. Proofread. Before hitting send, double-check for any typos or errors. Example email. To give you an idea of what a good Koho support email might look like, here's a sample. Dear Koho support. I am writing to inquire about a recent transaction on my account dated, date. The amount was charged to my Koho card at location. I believe this charge is unauthorized as I did not make this purchase. My Koho account number is account number. I have attached a copy of my recent statement for your reference. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. Sincerely, your name, your contact information. Following up. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, it's okay to follow up. Send a polite email reminding Koho of your previous inquiry and asking for an update. Additional tips. Always keep a copy of your email and any attachments for your records. Be patient. Customer support teams can be busy, so be patient and allow them time to respond. Consider other channels. If you're not getting the help you need via email, try contacting Koho through other channels like phone or social media. Conclusion. Emailing Koho might seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, it can be a straightforward process. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to resolving your issue. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.